Hello everyone. Today we shall be discussing on how to convert our Cartesian coordinate entries into polar coordinates. Once again, how to convert our Cartesian coordinate entries into polar coordinates. Let's move on. In order to convert our Cartesian coordinate entries, which are -3, -4 in bracket to polar coordinate, we can deduce that -3, -4 equals s, y in bracket. That is, our x equals -3 and our y equals -4. From here, we can relate our Cartesian entries to the formula of resultant of vectors. To calculate the resultant of vectors, that is r equals the square root of s squared plus y squared, which is the resultant formula, and our theta, which equals arctan y over x in bracket. As in, this is our resultant and this is our direction. From there, so therefore, we can find r equals square root of s squared plus y squared. Then we can input the entries. Then r becomes the square root of -3 squared plus -4 squared, which becomes r equals square root of 9 plus 16. Then it becomes r equals square root of 25. R becomes 5. This is called the resultant of the vector of the Cartesian vector that we have over here. Now, let's go to how to find the direction. The direction of a Cartesian can be calculated by using the formula arctan y over x. That is, arctan the resultant entries of the vertical over the resultant entries of the horizontal, which is -4 over -3. Then from there we can find arctan 4 over 3. Then it becomes, then our theta, which is the angle or the direction of our vector, becomes 53.13 degrees. Now, for us to find the outright direction of our vector, we need to relate it to the quadrant formation. For the fact that our vector are negative on both sides, which is on the horizontal and the vertical, which is -x minus y, as we are given. Now we will deduce that our entries are on the third quadrant of the vector. Now, for it to be on the third quadrant, we have to relate it to the horizontal angle of the third quadrant, which is 180 plus the degree reference, the angle reference of this formation on the third quadrant. Then from there, we can deduce that tan theta equals tan theta plus 180, which equals 53.13 plus 180, which becomes 223.13 degrees. That is, it becomes 233.13 degree. Thank you, everyone.